Hi, I'm Alan Mills, author of the MasterClass CSU training series. We're getting really excited about the upcoming virtual classroom training that will be coming to you very soon. So remember, sign up now. This course is the only internationally recognized qualification in CSU. Also, it has been continuously updated to include all of the new technologies that we use in CSU, as well as the digital transformation and much more. So whether you're from process, oil and gas, petrochemicals, nuclear, renewables, whichever sector it is, this course is for you. So we'll see you soon. Stay safe and happy commissioning.